International proudly introduces Vedic Fitness Club, in which you will get the complete package of home workout fitness at free of cost under Stay at Home Challenge. It is an initiative to help our students to be fit, active, healthy, and most importantly, happy. 3, 4, come on, raise your knees. Upper body should be straight. Good job, guys. Upper 17, well done, girls. 18, 19, nice. Well done, beta. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on, Sam, come on. Well done, come on. 20 में से काउंट करना है कितने बकेट में गए हैं. Start again. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Hello everyone, this is Tisha Agrawal of class 10 and here I would like to share the experience I have had so far of attending a fitness session mentored by my fitness coach Kunal Bagwal sir. So in the past 2 weeks I started working on my fitness. I personally never liked working out, but due to this workout session I feel active and more energetic throughout the day. Kunal sir always comes up with the new sets of exercises every morning and boost up our morale. Now I am attending this morning fitness session every morning with no second thoughts in my mind. Thank you Vedic International School for providing us this morning fitness session.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, fast. 11, 12. Come on, guys. You can do it. Come on. Quick foot. Fast. Well done, Shriya. Well done, Krishna. Good job, guys. 15.
Hey guys, it's Shasapur of class 10 and I would like to share my experience of my fitness class which is guided by my fitness coach Kunal sir. In these 2 weeks, I really felt energetic and I became happy the whole day due to this morning session.
Banana Dipanshi, can you please tell me?
Yes sir. सर इससे हेल्दी होते हैं और इससे कार्बोहाइड्रेट मिलता है.
Come on, it's time for the plank walk. Great. Shubham, again your hips are going up. Just go down. Lower body niche. Well done.
Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Chaudhary of grade 10. In last 2 weeks, I am attending fitness session by our coach Kunal sir. Every day we do different types of exercise like strength exercise, speed exercise, etc. In fitness session, I enjoy a lot and after fitness session, I feel very energetic. At last, I would like to thank you Vedic International School for providing us fitness session every day.
Fast, guys. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Yuvi. Great job. Well done, Satya. Excellent one here. Come on. Well done, Vibhu. Excellent. Great, Vibhu. Excellent. Good job, Akshat. Well done, Yashwant. Well done, Aditya. Well done, Palak. Now everyone is doing great job. Well done, Shrishti. Excellent. Well done, Garima. Perfect one.
Becoming lazy day by day. So this is the best way to do workout at home. So I suggest all of you to please join this fitness class. Thank you.
It also rehydrates the body and it is also called the runner's snack, right?
Yes.
I am Yuvraj Sharma of grade 8. Today I am here to express my experience of our fitness session. This is my first online fitness session. It is very interesting session from
5, 6, 7, 8, 25, 26, 27.
On this, we woke up early in the morning and we are enjoying this session. After doing exercises, we are feeling very fresh in our whole day and
Well done, Sakshi, well done, Shriya. Well done, Abhishek.
Hello friends, I am Keshav Kumar of class 10. I used to attend this morning activity class from last 2 weeks with my coach Kunal sir. I feel very energetic.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, relax. 2, 3, 4. Focus on your exercise. Focus on your.
Class, I feel myself that my stamina of doing exercise is building up. Our exercise level is also increasing day by day. We are trying our level best to attend this morning physical activity class. Thank you.
Yes, come on the right leg. Yes. Now go on the left leg. Well done, guys. Well done.
Hi guys, my name is Ibrahim. I am studying in class 10. I am doing the fitness class since last 3 weeks by our fitness trainer Kunal sir. And it is very essential for our health also. I have also lost 2 kg in last 3 weeks. Thank you.
Come on, champs. Come on. Great job, guys. Quick foot. Come on. Well done, Kunal. 1, 10, 11. Yes, focus, Prachi. Well done. Well done, Sakshi. 7. Last 2. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Ronak, what are your experiences after attending my classes?
सर मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ जाता हूँ फिर सर सब बॉडी पूरा फ्रेश होता है एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद.
Okay, so you want to say that
Hello, this is Mayank Kumar Agarwal. I study in Vedic International School in class 10th. And today I am going to share my experience about the fitness session which I am attending from the last 1 week. It is a very nice session. It not only helps us to remain fit in the lockdown, but it also releases all the stress in our mind so that the whole day goes much better. Thank you.
Myself Prati Tiwari of class 10. I start my fitness workout from last week with my fitness trainer Kunal sir. I really feel energetic and positive after attending the session. Thanks to Vedic International School to provide us fitness classes.